Fuli Japan was very generous and gifted me a Japanese futon, a cover for it, and a tatami mat. I really enjoy it. The front of the box of the tatami mat and the bed actually came with a paper crane, as you can see in the video, and a thank you note on it. And I thought that was really cool. I would definitely recommend this bed. It's worth the money, and I will leave a link in the description below so that you guys can check out the store. And to Fuli Japan, I just want to say arigatou gozaimasu. Good night. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I certainly enjoyed making it. I've been trying out the futon for a couple of days now, and I noticed a major difference even just after the first night. When I would use my mattress, I would wake up in pain, and I would feel really stiff. Ever since the last few nights that I've been trying the futon, I don't wake up stiff or in pain, and I've also noticed that I'm able to stand up for a longer period of time without starting to hurt. Because after I had my son, I noticed that, like say if I was cooking or something, and when I'm standing up, I would notice more back pain, and now I can do it for a longer period of time thanks to sleeping on a futon. So I hope that you guys will give it a try, and I just want to say thank you so much to Fuli Japan that provided me the futon, the cover, and the tatami mat. And yeah, I definitely don't see myself going back to sleeping on a regular mattress now. Like, there's just too many perks. I mean, I don't feel as stiff and in pain, and you can store the futon. With a mattress, it just takes up space, and who wants that? Bye.